Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the 5 best cordless vacuum. If you want more information about update and pricing, please check out the description and link. So let's start the video. Number 1, NEQUARE S26 Cordless Vacuum. Features: 280 watts energy efficient brushless motor, 26 kPa powerful suction capacity, battery powered with 40 minutes runtime, LED and multiple brushes for cleaning. The unique feature of the NEQUARE S26 cordless vacuum is that the sound level is pretty low at 55 decibels, so you get a quieter cleaning experience compared to other cleaners. There are different gears equipped in the cleaner which can be selected by you according to your cleaning requirements. It comes with a unique touchscreen control that allows you to choose the gear on which the cleaner will operate. Perhaps the best feature of this cleaner that makes it stand out from the other cleaners is its ability to stand independently. The 90 degrees support makes it capable of standing on its own. It also has a 180 degrees movable brush head indicated by LED lights that makes it easier for you to clean every corner of your home as smoothly as possible. There are extra tools available with the cleaner for the perfect cleaning of the house. The precision cleaner mouth can be attached to the vacuum for cleaning the various corners and crevices in your living room. There is also a brush for dusting purposes on delicate surfaces. The dust bag has a volume of 1.2 L, which allows you to clean more areas for a single use. Also, the most disturbing thing about other vacuum cleaners is the emptying of the dust. The NEQUARE cordless vacuum has a simple push-button system that allows you to empty the dust bag without touching it. As mentioned earlier, this vacuum cleaner comes equipped with 9 gears that can be adjusted for controlling the powerful suction. The touch-controlled pad can help choose the suction power of your choice from the range of 26 kPa. In addition to that, the sponge filter in the cleaner is removable, and you can wash it with soap if you want to. The 7-cell, 2200 mAh lithium battery is both removable and rechargeable. This gives you the freedom to charge the battery separately from the cleaner. The battery can be fully charged in 3.5 to 4 hours. The battery's separate charging allows you the convenience of keeping the battery disconnected when the cleaner is not in use. Pros: the filters are washable. Pet hairs are picked up easily. Big enough dust bag. Easy emptying and cleaning. Cons: some battery issues. Suction is not powerful enough. Number 2, Dyson V7 Allergy HEPA cord-free stick vacuum cleaner. Features: cord and hassle-free. Transforms into a handheld. Engineered for all floor types. Up to 30 minutes of run time. The Dyson V7 Allergy HEPA vacuum cleaner is a cord-free and lightweight vacuum cleaner that offers you powerful cleaning to ensure versatility. If you are looking for the best vacuum cleaner for hardwood floor cleaning or carpet cleaning, you should definitely bring this vacuum cleaner home. Not just that, it comes with a HEPA filtration system for allergen cleaning. Dyson V7 Allergy vacuum cleaner has a powerful filtration capacity that helps capture as much as 99.97% of the particles present inside your home. It is well suited for houses that have people suffering from allergy issues or respiratory problems. The Dyson V7 Allergy with HEPA filter can pick up allergens that are as tiny as 0.3 microns. With this vacuum cleaner, the makers have packed in 2-tier radial cyclones that are arranged in a parallel variant to enhance the airflow and capture the finest dust possible. The machine's direct drive cleaning facility allows the bristles to penetrate deeper within the carpet and helps remove the dirt present within the ground. The machine provides you a whopping 30 minutes of power that is absolutely fade-free in nature. When operated on its highest power, the device can give you 6 minutes worth of suction and ease up the cleaning process. Pros: eases up spot cleaning. Detachable wand. Hygienic ejector for dirt and dust. HEPA filtration system. Cons: low power settings, lack proper suction power. Number 3, Shark Z363 HT Anti-Allergen Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Features: fantastic design. Right away, the first thing you will notice about this stick vacuum is its design. The design is sleek, clean, and quite stylish. But, more than anything else, this stick vacuum is relatively small and extremely lightweight. Because of this, it offers more flexibility, versatility, and ease of use than most of the other vacuums that you can purchase. Brush roll system. To accomplish this, while using this vacuum mode, the Shark Z362H relies on a fantastic self-cleaning brush roll. Every little bit of dirt, dust, and debris is gathered up quickly as a result of the thick bristles and the speed at which they move. Of course, what's really cool is that you don't need to clean the brush roll off after using it because it cleans itself, making the entire process so much easier and so much more efficient. Suction power. Right inside this stick vacuum, there's a small motor that generates something known as hypervelocity accelerated suction power. That particular term means a few things, but, more than anything else, it means that this suction power is strong and extremely capable. Multiple modes. To make use of this stick vacuum, you must choose from several vacuuming modes. Each one of these vacuuming modes is rather simple, but extremely useful. For most vacuuming situations, the primary vacuuming mode is more than sufficient. Just connect the floor head to the stick vacuum and then walk the floor head across your floors. But, sometimes, you need a little more mobility. So, you can remove that floor head and attach a wand. By doing so, you are then able to reach into spaces that are too high or far away, allowing you to remove what is in them. Number 4. Hoover ONEPWR Evolve Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Features. Great for homes with multiple pets. Comes with a pet odor filter for smells and has 3x more capacity for holding animal hair. Antimicrobial brush roll. This unique system is designed to contain allergens like dust mites and pet dander. Power vortex suction. Designed to lift embedded dirt from carpets with high-speed airflow and multi-cyclonic filtration system which won't clog. Unique swivel steering. The vacuum swivels at the neck to let you easily steer around furniture and other objects in your home. Removable brush roll. This type of brush removal system makes it simple to get tangled hair off the brushes, an essential task for peak performance. Hoover outfitted the Evolve with their power vortex motor, powered via their 4.0 lithium-ion battery. The motor and power head work in unison to create fast-flowing channels of air that will help loosen and pull up dirt, even if it is embedded way down in your carpeting. These batteries get a long-lasting power source, fade-free suction, and relatively quick charging. They are obviously removable since they can be shared between products, so you get the convenience of potentially having multiple battery packs all charged up and ready to go. Pros. Reasonable cleaning performance. Respectable run times. Simple straightforward vacuum. Good size dust canister. Cons. Some scattering in hard floor mode. Weak edge cleaning. Number 5. Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Features. Hard floor and area rug modes. You'll want to use the appropriate cleaning mode based on the surface you intend on cleaning. The buttons to switch between modes are conveniently located near the handle and require a simple press with your thumb. Optional solution dispenser. To use a solution for deep cleaning rugs and bare floors, all you need to do is pull the trigger on the handle. This allows you to work with water for deep cleaning and without water for standard vacuuming. 30-minute runtime per charge. Considering you have half an hour of cleaning time per charge. This may not sound like much, but not many cordless wet-dry vacs offer this much runtime. When it runs out of power, it'll take roughly 4 hours of charging to reach maximum capacity. 3-in-1 charging dock. The 2554A comes with a 3-in-1 charging dock that stores and charges the vacuum when not in use. Best of all, the dock has a self-cleaning system that removes hair and debris from the soft brush roll while charging. Lightweight for improved maneuverability. The dry weight of this device is only 11 pounds, practically eliminating the burden of pushing, pulling, and navigating between and under furniture. It also has a swiveling neck for added convenience and better control. Wet and dry cleaning performance. With the tool fully assembled, charged, and properly primed, the 2554A is a wonderful wet-dry vac. You're free to use as much or as little cleaning solution as you wish, depending on how stubborn the floor stain is. Pros. Convenient usage with cordless design. Battery life up to 30 minutes of run time. Suitable to clean dry and wet messes on varied surfaces. Cons. Relatively expensive and limited vacuum application. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in future. Be sure check out the description and links for final most of day pricing and other product mention in this video.